Yo, what's going on? Miguel, right back at it, aka SalesFunnelGod, and I'm reviewing another question, making a video on it. This one came directly from the comments, and it says, it's from Timothy Quazan. I butcher every single one of your names, I'm sorry. Hey bro, great content. Thanks, Tim. Would love to learn more about sales funnels and building an email list in your videos. Wow, funny enough, I know a couple things about sales funnels. If you've seen my Instagram handle, you would know that. So, you've come to the right place, man. Thank you for your question. Thank you for watching. You are a beast. Now, how the hell do you build up an email list? Why do you want to build up an email list? Let's go ahead and start off with that. I'm just going to keep this video straightforward. You want to build an email list because you want to be able to capture leads. What is a lead? It's a potential customer. A lot of people think email is dead. It's not. You can make a shitload of money from email. I have a friend. His name is Splashman. His entire agency is built off of helping people Shopify stores make more money through the use of email marketing. Consider email list a place where you can get free money. Anytime you send an email, you have a chance at making more dollars. You don't have to get more leads. You can just use the ones you want. But if you don't have leads in there already, how do you build up that email list and how do you use sales funnels to do it? I'm going to tell you how right now. So, how the hell do you build up an email list? There are people moving around behind me and it's pissing me off. All right, they stopped moving. So, how the hell do you build up an email list? It's easy, actually. You basically give away free shit. But most people actually don't do this, so maybe it's not as easy as it sounds. Listen, here's how you build up an email list. Give away free shit. And not only that, but make sure the free stuff that you're giving away is actually valuable. So when you give away more free stuff, they're excited for it. Not only that, but if your free stuff is good, they will purchase the other stuff because their thought process is going to be, yo, if the free stuff is this dope, just imagine how dope the paid stuff is going to be. I've gone through a course, a Facebook ads course where I was able to 2x my ROI on the ads that I was running. And that was from a free webinar. Like, I got that information for free. What do you think I did when I found out that they had a paid course at the end of that? Just from the free stuff. Like, I was able to 2x my ROI on my Facebook ads from the free stuff. This is the type of stuff I'm talking about. The free stuff that you give away has to be valuable. It has to be something they can take, they can use, they can get results. That is the only way the free stuff is going to work. You have to create what's called an irresistible offer. It has to be something that's so valuable and so directed towards them and everything it is that they want to accomplish in whatever niche that you're in, to the point where taking that free thing is going to almost seem like a sin to them. Like, yo, if I don't take this, it's going to be completely stupid. These are the type of things that you need to be thinking about when you're thinking about stuff to give away. Now, what are various things you can give away? I have to stop saying this. I have to use the actual verbiage so that you guys can actually know it. So, the stuff that you give away in order to get leads and build your email list is called a lead magnet. What are various types of lead magnets that you can use? These can be ebooks. These can be cheat sheets, literally a one-page PDF where you're breaking something down. These can be a different list of things that they can use for something. It can be a free webinar class like what I just told you I went through. It can be a free course, free membership sites. It can be trial offers to things where after they go through the trial, they actually have to buy something. It can be various different things. There's free plus shipping. Free plus shipping for all of you who have Shopify stores. That is technically a lead magnet. And you're actually sort of acquiring a customer because they still have to take their credit card out. It's kind of powerful. There's a reason why Russell Brunson does it so freaking much. get creative with it, but make sure the thing about leads, unless your entire goal with this lead magnet is to sell this massive thing. So ClickFunnels is trying to get you to buy their software, which is pretty expensive over the long run. He has to give away really, really big free things. But what if he just wanted you to buy something that was only a couple of bucks? Well, then the lead magnet can be really small. So instead of it being this big book that Russell Brunson takes months to write, it can be a cheat sheet where it's one page and they go through it. It takes them a couple minutes, boom, they're done. And they feel very accomplished because they were able to go through that really fast. They were able to get the solution to whatever it is that they needed. And they feel like they actually got some free value from you. So not only have you created all these good feelings in the customer's eyes, you have successfully gotten an email onto your email list. If I haven't made this clear by now, I just want to spell it out for anybody who may be a little confused. In order to get the lead magnet, they have to give you their email. That's the exchange. So if it's going to be free, they have to give their email in return for this free thing. They have to give their email in order to get to the class. They have to give their email so that you can send them the free book. This is how you build an email list with funnels. The first page would be, hey, would you like this free thing, this picture of free thing, put your email in below. They put their email in below, boom, they get the free thing. It's a very simple funnel. Ideally, you either have a tripwire on the back end of that or an application. These are other things that we will talk about later, but this is how you build an email list quick, fast, and in a hurry. Thank you for watching. Thank you for that question, Big Man Tim. If you would like any other sort of topics talked about in these videos, feel free to leave a comment below. I will definitely make a video on it if the question is good and does not confuse me. So go ahead, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. Like it, subscribe. Thank you for watching.